Hello, what is your name?
Hello, good afternoon. My name is Raya Garcia.
How old are you?
I'm 29 years old.
What is your religion?
I'm Christian.
Are you married?
No.
Okay, do you have kids?
No.
Okay, so how long have you been working in Hong Kong?
2 years.
Do you have any work experience in other countries?
No.
Okay, so how long have you been working with your current employer?
2 years, ma'am.
Where's your employer living in?
Paulam.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
500 square feet.
How many family members there?
4, 2 kids, and the couple.
Okay, so how old the kids?
3 and 5 years old.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning, and then I prepare the food for the children before they're going to school. And then after that, I'm going to send her in the school bus. Before, going back and home, I'm going to do the household chores. And then I prepare their food for dinner at around 6. They're going to eat at 7 o'clock in the evening.
Okay, so what time you go to bed?
Around 9:30 to 10.
9:30 to 10. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.